Hey beauty lovers! If you're a frequent shopper on Amazon, you know how tricky it can be to buy beauty products online. Amazon now has a dedicated premium beauty collection with authentic beauty brands. Our editors are sharing their favorite premium makeup, hair, and skincare products so you can shop with confidence. Get ready for some serious beauty haul vibes. Let's get straight to it. You know how much I swear by Olaplex. This bottle is a miracle worker for damaged hair. It repairs and strengthens your hair, leaving it softer, smoother, and healthier after one use. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Now let's talk skincare. This lactic acid treatment from Sunday Riley is a cult favorite. It gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin. It also helps reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines, which is a plus. A flawless foundation is a must-have. This one from Charlotte Tilbury is a showstopper. Full coverage, yet super lightweight on the skin. It lasts all day without getting cakey or greasy. It makes my skin look airbrushed. You guys know I'm all about a good lipstick, and this one from Yves Saint Laurent is pure luxury. It's super pigmented, so one swipe is all you need. The color payoff is incredible. It feels comfortable and doesn't dry out lips. My favorite is the shade Le Rouge, a classic red that looks good on everyone. No makeup look is complete without mascara, and this one from Dior is a cult classic. It gives you incredible volume and length, making your lashes look like falsies. It's super black, which I love, and it doesn't smudge or flake. Trust me, your lashes will thank you. This lip mask is a game changer. It's like a big drink of water for your lips. If you have dry, chapped lips, you need this. Apply it before bed and wake up with the softest lips. Formulated with hyaluronic acid and nourishing ingredients. I also love the subtle berry scent. Sunscreen is essential, but many are greasy and heavy. Not this one. Super Goop. Unseen sunscreen is a game changer. It's invisible on the skin, no white cast. Super lightweight, doesn't clog pores, perfect for daily use. Plus, it has SPF 40 for sun protection. Okay, let's talk brows. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is a cult favorite. It's a super fine-tipped pencil for realistic-looking brow hairs. Perfect for filling in sparse areas or defining your brows. Comes with a spoolie for blending and taming unruly hairs. This concealer is a holy grail. It's super pigmented and covers dark circles, blemishes, and imperfections. It has a radiant finish, brightening your under-eye area. It's long-lasting and doesn't crease, a major plus. This hair oil is a lifesaver for dry, frizzy hair. Formulated with argan oil, it's super hydrating and nourishing. Leaves your hair soft, smooth, and shiny. Tames frizz and flyaways, always a plus. This cleanser is gentle and hydrating, perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It removes makeup and impurities without stripping natural oils. Formulated with soy proteins, which soothe and soften the skin. This cult favorite sets your makeup for all-day wear. It's finely milled, blurs imperfections, and controls shine without looking cakey. A must-have for any makeup lover. This curling iron is an investment, but it's worth it. It comes with 3 barrels, so you can create various curls. The ceramic barrels distribute heat evenly and prevent damage. This vitamin C serum is a powerhouse. It brightens skin, reduces dark spots, and protects against environmental damage. I use it every morning under my sunscreen for best results. This mascara is one of my favorites. It gives incredible length and separation. Super black, it doesn't smudge or flake. This essence is a cult favorite in Asia, and for good reason. Formulated with Pitera, it improves skin texture, reduces pores, and brightens skin. It's an investment, but worth it if you're serious about skincare. This foundation is another one of my absolute favorites. It's lightweight, yet it provides buildable coverage. It also has a luminous finish that makes your skin look airbrushed and flawless. This sunscreen is one of my favorites. It's lightweight, oil-free, and fragrance-free, perfect for sensitive skin. With SPF 46, you're protected from the sun. This matte skin stick is a multitasker. Use it as foundation, concealer, or contour. It's super pigmented and blendable. This lightweight, oil-free moisturizer is perfect for oily skin. It hydrates and controls shine. A bit pricey, but worth it for oily skin. This makeup sponge is a must-have. It blends foundation, concealer, and cream products flawlessly. It's also easy to clean. This hair straightener is an investment, but worth it. It heats up quickly and styles your hair without damage. It also comes with a heat-resistant plate guard. This serum is a cult favorite for a reason. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. It also hydrates, brightens, and revitalizes the skin. This setting spray is a must-have for special occasions. It sets your makeup for up to 16 hours, helping to control shine and prevent makeup meltdown. This hydrating eye cream reduces under-eye bags and dark circles. It's gentle for sensitive skin. This brightening pen is a must-have for highlighting and concealing. It brightens up the under-eye area, conceals imperfections, and highlights the cheekbones. It's super blendable, long-lasting, and easy to use. This dry texturizing spray is a lifesaver for flat, lifeless hair. It adds volume, texture, and grip to your style. It also absorbs oil and extends the life of your blowout. This moisturizer is a cult classic. It's lightweight, oil-free, and hydrating, perfect for all skin types. This blush is a cult favorite. It gives a natural-looking flush, super pigmented and blendable. This moisturizer is perfect for dry skin. Super hydrating, it plumps and absorbs quickly. This lipstick is a cult favorite for a reason. It's the perfect nude shade that suits all skin tones beautifully. This hairdryer is an investment, but it's worth it. It dries your hair quickly without causing any damage. This oil suits all skin types, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This primer is essential for large pores. It minimizes pores and creates a smooth canvas for makeup. It's oil-free and long-lasting. This concealer is super pigmented and full coverage. It covers dark circles, blemishes, and imperfections. It's long-lasting and doesn't crease. This shampoo repairs and strengthens damaged hair. It's color-safe and sulfate-free. The Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color is a must-have. Super pigmented and easy to blend, it comes in various shades from matte to shimmer. This CC cream is a multitasker. It provides coverage, sun protection, and hydration. It's lightweight and oil-free. This brow pomade is super pigmented and long-lasting. It creates sharp, defined brows, and it's waterproof and smudge-proof too. This styling cream is perfect for frizzy hair. It helps to tame frizz, add shine, and protect hair from heat styling. It's lightweight and doesn't weigh hair down, making it ideal for daily use. This hydrating lip balm protects lips from the sun. It comes in clear and tinted shades. It's long-lasting and non-sticky. This highlighter is super pigmented and gives you the most beautiful glow. It comes in a variety of shades, from champagne to bronze. It's blendable, long-lasting, and perfect for any occasion. This mascara is a cult favorite for a reason. It gives you the most incredible volume, length, and definition. This face mask soothes and hydrates skin, reducing redness and inflammation. This facial spray is a must-have for refreshing and hydrating your skin. It's also great for setting makeup and adding a dewy finish. This liquid eyeliner is super pigmented and long-lasting. It creates sharp, precise lines that last all day. It's also waterproof and smudge-proof. This moisturizer is perfect for dry, sensitive skin. It's super hydrating, soothing, and protects skin. It's also fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. This cleanser is perfect for all skin types. It's gentle, hydrating, and non-comedogenic, available at most drugstores. So there you have it, beauty lovers. Those are our favorite premium beauty products you can shop right now on Amazon Premium Beauty. No more worrying about authenticity, just amazing, high-quality beauty products delivered to your doorstep. Check out the link in the description box to shop all these products and more. Thank you.